Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today the 2020 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 7206. It's ran from the 6th, 2015 to the current shape. There's a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory naked tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory naked tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory naked tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen set-and stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,